What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Doordash login error on iPhone. To start, first thing you need to do is to make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Go to your App Store and look for the Doordash app. Now, when the app is updated but still having this error, then go to your settings of your phone. Go to General. Then tap iPhone Storage. In here, look for the Doordash app and open it. Tap on the Offload app. Then wait for a while. Then install the app again. Now relaunch the Doordash app and see if the error is now fixed. But if it's not, then maybe the error is within the network issues. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Another thing on why this is happening is maybe due to the account issue. Log out your account and then log back in and see if the issues is successfully fixed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.